Hi there, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello and welcome back, and hello to any new subscribers. Nice to have you here. If you want to say hello, introduce yourself or whatever in the comments, then please do so. So today I'm just here to show you a flip through of the envelope folio. You'll have seen part 1 and 2 last weekend, and 3 and 4 was this weekend. So this is the final flip through. I've used a couple of kits from Tina at Shabbydabbydoodah. I've used her green pavilion kit, her sage collage sheet, her green labels and her brown labels, even though I didn't use any of the brown labels, but I did print that out. And I think that's it. So all I made it from was one A4 size envelope, so you know, and an envelope half the size, so you'll see how that works. So the front, I've just put some plain backing paper. I'm not sure what kit it's from, but it's just a plain background. I've put some music paper and a big journal card out of the kit. I've just put a little bit of Diamante on because it's a Tina kit, and I don't think a Tina kit's complete without a bit of bling on it. I've got a little bit of doily here, what Siobhan sent me. So there's some ones what she's stained, and some lace down the side, and at the back it's just plain. And I've just tied it with this black ribbon, just simple. It did get too bulky, so I did have to make a separate notepad. Originally I was going to sew it in, but yeah, it just all got too bulky. I'll just put that to the side 1 minute. So let me make sure I'm central. So we open it up. I've got a pocket here and a little embellishment from the kit. Just added some lace and a little stamp here. I'll take everything out, and then we can just use the backing paper and some Tim Holtz washi down the side. And then we've got a jumbo journal card, which is just half a page from the kit. I've sewn it, and it's backed with some blush coloured card, and then I've just put a topper on, so that fits in there nicely. We've got a postcard from the kit, again that's been backed in the blush card. A couple of journal cards, 4, so they go in there, and a little thin one what I just made from the paper, and I backed that, and yeah, a little vellum notebook made from vellum, and it's just from the collage sheet, and it's got some papers in. I think there's 20 sides in there, so that's that bit. Pop that in there. Then on this part we've got an envelope. This is from the kit. I've just put one of the decorative pieces on just to use it as a flap. I've lined it with some vintage music paper, and I've just put 2 little journal cards, and they just join together so they flip out like that. And then I've put the framers tape down the side, and I just love that brown against that sage green. I think it looks really nice, and the same with that one. So they just sit nicely, and luckily they did just fit in just right. So again, it's got the same backing paper as what's on the front and back cover, and we've got some Tim Holtz washi here. So I'll do that from. And inside we've got another jumbo card what's been zigzagged, and just put a little butterfly at the back. So that's that one. That's it. I'm guessing I've not pushed those down enough because it does normally fit flush. and then it's opened up like so. We've got a cream coloured envelope here with a window in. I've put some vellum in from the kit, these butterflies. I've just put one of the decorations, and then inside it's got some vintage music paper, just a sticker and one of Tina's labels, and that's out of one of the label kits. And I've just sewn around the edge in a normal stitch, and then pop that back in, open up, and we've got one of the Tim Holtz wallflowers there and a little label that's from Kelly's Crafts. And I've just put a little bit of the framer's tape there as if it's been sellotaped down. So on this side, some more vintage music paper, and we've got a little quote: life is an echo, what you send out comes back. And then we've got a postcard here, which you can use the little die cut to flip it over. And we've got some writing space there. Just put a little bit of lace each side, which you can't see that side until it's open. And then this middle part, I've just punched out 3 circles, and I got this idea from Crafty Ali Creates, so thank you for that, Alison. And I've just created a little belly band, and I've made 2 vellum envelopes. They've been sewn up the side, and then this one's got some vintage lace, and I've sewn across there, and then it's just got a journal card in there. Again, it's been backed with the blush paper. This is the collage sheet, the Sage collage sheet. Really nice sheet that is. You get 2. I did only use this one, and I printed it out about 4 times. The other one had got pinks in it, which I didn't want pinks. So open that one, and that's got one as well. So we've got a bit of seam binding there. So I'll pop that under there, like so. And then this bit flips over. We've got a jumbo tag. I don't think you can see that top bit. I'll bring it down in a minute. Got a jumbo journal card there. And then in this part, we've got a long tuck spot. There's the lace, and there's some lace across there, so all that part is framed. Got a little stamp here, what I've used as a pocket, and we've got some little tickets, also from the Green Pavilion kit. This paper, it's some kind of scrapbook paper. It was like some die cut frames, which I did use last year. And yeah, then you just got this one piece of card, and I saved it thinking it'll be right, you know, just for the right project. And luckily I stumbled across it, and I've done that pocket in it as well. And inside we've got a bigger vellum notebook. Again, it's got 20 sides. 20 sides. So that's from Tina's green label kit. Really like the green labels on it. So I just pop that in like so. What I've got at the back, more of a collage paper. I'll say it goes lovely with this kit. So that goes in there. Let's just drag that down. So that's the piece that goes up and down like so. So that's the folio. So I've really enjoyed working with it. It's not a very big kit. It's a really small kit. I think there's, I don't know, about 8 pages. And then I don't know if there's 2 or 3 of ephemera. But what I did, the ephemera, I printed it out 1 to a page and then 2 to a page. So it gave me a lot more to play with. So that is that. And then just pop that there. And then I've done, and it's just printed out on 200 GSM. It's not, you know, a cover. It's not soft, but it's not hard. Again, I've put the framers tape down, and I've put a frame on and the music paper again, and I've just reprinted it with another digital, and I've sewn it with a 3-hole pamphlet. And this has 40 sides, so we've got lots of different tea-dyed papers. I don't know how well you can see the lace imprint. I bet you can see it on there. So yeah, different. That's a nice one. And that just sits in like so. I did leave this part open. Now I haven't put anything in it, but you could put something in there, but I thought you're not going to be able to have anything with you know, a tab or anything, and I did think, oh, perhaps I could slip that in. I don't know if it does fit in. No, not without damaging it. So that can just then sit in there, and then obviously you can take it out as you need it. So that is my design team project for Tina. Thank you very much, Tina, for letting me use your kit. It's a very pretty one to use. So I will put this up in the Etsy shop today, and I will list all the kits that I've used and Tina's shop and the link to my Etsy shop. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I shall speak to you very soon. Bye for now.